Once there was a great sage. He was famous far and wide for his knowledge and wits. One day, two women came to him with a child. One of them said,
"Sir, this child is my son."
Immediately, the second woman said,
"No, sir, he is my son. This woman has stolen him."
Some people were also with the two women. One of them said,
"Sir, each of these women is claiming this child to be hers. They even started to fight over the issue, and so we have brought them to you. Now you are to do justice as to whom the child belongs."
The sage took the child in his lap and drew a line on the ground. Then he made the child lie on the line. Now addressing the two women, he said,
"You each stand on either side of the line and pull the child towards yourself. The one who succeeds in pulling the child towards herself will have the child."
The women did as told by the sage. The child began to cry because of the pain caused by being pulled. Seeing this, one woman let her grip loose and started crying. She said,
"This is her son. Give him to her."
The second woman took the child in her lap and said jubilantly,
"This child is mine. I have one."
Listening to this, the sage said,
"No, this child is not yours. The child is of that lady. She couldn't bear seeing the pain of the child. Hence, she let her grip loose. But you, on the other hand, didn't have any mercy on the child. How can you be his mother? A mother cannot bear the pain of her child. So give the child to the actual mother."
The people were very impressed by the sage's justice. This incident enhanced his popularity even more.